Do you want trendy with low maintenance hairstyle? Are you looking for a sharp, modern haircut that's perfect for teenagers? Or are you searching for a top hairstylist in Dubai? If yes, this video is for you. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm showing you a clean and modern blowout taper with textured fringe for boys. This hairstyle is ideal for teenagers who want something sharp on the sides, natural on top, and easy to style every day. Understanding the starting point is very important when planning a low taper fade, especially for young clients who want a natural but fresh result. Now, I begin by creating a clean guideline using a clipper with a zero gapped outliner. This guideline sets the foundation for the taper fade on one side. The line is kept sharp and dark to give a clean look, while still blending smoothly into the rest of the haircut. Once the guideline is set, I start blending gradually, as you'll see in the video. The same process is repeated on the other side to make sure both sides are perfectly balanced.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Next, I move to the nape area and create a low taper fade at the back. I start with the outliner at 0, then blend upward step by step using 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2 guards. Each transition is blended carefully to avoid harsh lines and keep the taper soft and clean. The result is a sharp but natural finish that works perfectly for boys and teenagers. After completing the sides and the nape, the remaining blending is done using scissors. This helps keep the haircut light, flexible, and natural, especially for textured hairstyles. Once the sides are finished, I move to the top. I start at the front, by creating a guideline and then follow it step by step toward the crown using a zigzag cutting technique. This technique adds texture, movement, and a messy but controlled look, while keeping the hair balanced and easy to manage. I recommend watching the video carefully for a better understanding of this process, as seeing each step visually makes it much easier to learn and follow. Now we move to the styling part, where everything comes together. For styling, I always use our best in-house hair products to avoid any risk to the client's hair. We have developed 3 different series of hair pomades, each designed for different hair types and hairstyles. In this video, I'm using our Jason Mackey Medium Hold Hair Pomade. It's water-based, easy to wash out, and perfect for creating flexible hairstyles. This pomade enhances texture, keeps the hair natural, low shine, allows movement without stiffness, making it ideal for teenagers and everyday styling. The final result is a clean mid-taper fade with sharp sides, a fringe-textured top, and a trendy hairstyle for boys that's ready to go with minimal effort. This haircut is done by Jason Mackey, Dubai stylist, along with his professional barbers at Jason Mackey Salon. Our focus is always on quality, precision, and styles that fit the client's lifestyle.
Subscribe now. Like the video.
If you enjoyed, like the video and subscribe. A new video will be out soon. See you in the next one.